Hi everyone, welcome to Impact Academy. So today let us look at the history paper. Okay, history paper of the 2024 Group 2 examination. So I'm sure everyone have given their exam well, and let us hope everyone gets selected. Anyway, let's start with the questions. So Indian history, Anda, Harmika, Chakri are integral parts of which of the following Buddhist monuments? Now, Chaitya is a prayer hall, right? Vihara is the resting place. Stupa is a burial mound, okay? And Basadi belongs to Jain. It's a Jain pilgrimage place or a temple, etc. is called Basadi. So anyway, let us look at what do you say, stupa. So if you look at a stupa, you can see several toranas, okay, dome, harmika, yasti, chatra, right? So a stupa contains chatra, toranas, ambulatory passageway, etc., etc. So based on this, you can say that Anga, Hermika, Chatri, etc. They are integral parts of the stupa. So option three is the stupa is the correct answer. Let's go to question two. Which among the following pillar inscriptions of Ashoka states that the land revenue of Lumbini was reduced to 1/8? So we are talking about pillar inscriptions, right? So Ashoka, let us go to Ashoka means Mauryan Empire, right? So so if you look at Mauryan Empire Ashoka, just a minute. See, these are the major 14 rock edicts of Ashoka. They are also very important. Try to go through. And if you look at the Rumindai pillar inscription, okay, just look here. The Rumindai pillar inscription, it says that the king's visit to the birthplace of Buddha, okay, that is Lumbini. Everyone is aware of birthplace of Buddha is Lumbini. So he Rumindai pillar inscription says that the king visited Lumbini and he exempted Bali, okay, voluntary tax, and fixed the tax of Bhaga at 1/8 of the what is the whatever it is. So basically, it is the Ruminde pillar inscription. It also mentions the stupa of Buddha Konakamana, visit to the stupa of Buddha Konakamana. Anyway, so Ruminde pillar inscription, Ashoka visited Lumbini and made the tax 1/8. Now, what is the question? If you look at the question, is saying which among the following pillar inscriptions of Ashoka states that land revenue of Lumbini has been reduced to 1/8. So clearly it is Rumindai pillar inscription. Even I put the same option. Okay. So even these are important. Vaishali, Maski is also important. Where is Maski? Let's see if there is any Maski. Barabar, all these are very important. Babru inscription, Maski inscription. Maski is also frequently asked. Anyway, let us continue. So if you look at Humayun, question 3. Humayun brought famous painters Mir Syed Ali and Abdus Samad from Iran to Delhi. Okay. And Jahangir's reign is considered as the golden period of Mughal painting. This one, if you have been following my class regularly, I've told this hundreds of times, right? During the Mughal period, Jahangir is well known for the Mughal paintings. He could look at the painting and literally say, who is the painter? Jahangir is that famous. So option B is correct. During the reign of Jahangir, European painting was introduced at the Mughal court by Danish merchants. There is no such thing as Danish merchants coming and giving a European painting. So, if you look at the Mughal Empire, just a minute. So, if you look at the Mughal Empire paintings, okay, okay. So, observe this. See here, painters at Mughal court, Humayun, Mir Syed Ali, and Khwaja Abdus Samad. And also, these are the famous painters in Jahangir, okay? Abul Hasan, Nadir, Murad, Ustad Mansur, Bishandas, Manohar, Govardhan, etc. Jahangir is very famous for paintings, and Humayun brought Mir Saeed Ali and Khwaja Abdus Samad. So, this question we have already seen. So, you should be able to answer properly. Which of the following is incorrect? So, A and B are correct, C is incorrect. So, it is option C, even I put the right option. So, let us go to the next question. So, which Mauryan officer was in charge of the weights and measures? So Mauryan Empire. Let us go to Mauryan Empire. It is actually, I would say, tough question only because there are so many things to remember. It will be difficult for anyone. So on one hand, you have all these 18 tirthas, okay, tirthas, important Mahamatas, all those things. So it gets difficult sometimes. Anyway, um, and these are all the taxes, etc. So if you look at the government system or central government, see, Samstha Adhyaksha is superintendent of markets. Samstha Adhyaksha is superintendent of mint and all those things. Now the Chair lower C. Pautav Adhyaksha is superintendent of weights and measures. Okay, so it is kind of difficult, not easy. Anyway, which Mauryan officer was in charge of weights and measures is Pautav Adhyaksha. Remember that. Remember the others also, but remember it is Pautav Adhyaksha. Romaka Siddhanta, written by Varaha Mihira, deals with. So Varaha Mihira means immediately you have to identify astronomy, and Varaha Mihira will come in Gupta Empire. Okay. See, Varaha Mihira, he wrote Brihat Samhita and contributed to the fields of astronomy and astrology. So, if you are looking at Gupta Empire, always Varaha Mihira means one and only one thing, astronomy. No need to get confused. Gupta, okay, Gupta Empire. See, somewhere you'll find. So, see, all these are very important literature. Varaha Mihira, Pancha Siddhantika, and Brihat Samhita. Okay, they both are related to what do you say, astronomy and astrology. Aryabhatta, Surya Siddhanta Aryabhatyam, is the famous mathematician. Okay, Kalidas, Meghadutam, Abhijnana Sakuntalam, Kumara Shambhavam, Raghuvamsha, all these are very, very important. Okay, Vishaka Datta, Mudra Rakshasa is also very important because it is one of the major source for the Mauryas. Though it was written during the period of Guptas, this Mudra Rakshasa by Vishaka Datta mentions about how Chandragupta Maurya defeated the Nandas with the help of Kautilya. So it's very, very important. Vasayana Kama Sutra is also, I think, I'm sure everyone is aware. Brahmagupta, Brahasputa Siddhanta, Basa is also very frequently asked. Try to remember this. Basa, Swapana Vasavadattam. So all these are very, very, very important. So let us look at the question. The question is which one? Where is this? Ramaka Siddhanta written by Varaha Mihira. So remember that also. Ramaka Siddhanta is also written by Varaha Mihira. And Varaha Mihira means it deals with astronomy and astrology always. So which of the following books was not written by Harshavardhana? So if you look at Harshavardhana, dramas such as Ratnavali, Nagananda, Pridarshika were written by King Harshavardhana. Okay. So Priyadarshika, Ratnavali, and Nagananda were written by Harshavardhana. So if you would have followed the classes clearly, it would have been very easy. Kadambari, even I put it right option, Kadambari. Okay. So this I would say is actually a easy question, permanent settlement. But if you make such changes, this is 1793, it would be difficult for anyone. So that is why I did not attempt this question. But anyway, let us look at it. It is um, let's go to modern India. Just a minute. There is So this is basically, you can say, part of the rise and consolidation of British Empire, right? So permanent settlement of Bengal was brought into effect by the East India Company under Governor General Lord Cornwallis in 1793. That is the problem. And it was first enacted in Bengal, Bihar, Odisha, and all those things. So what is the question? It was introduced by Lord Cornwallis, which is true, in Bengal, Bihar, Odisha in 1793. So this is the incorrect option. It declared Zamindars as the owners of the land and they were given hereditary rights, which is true. It was planned by Sir John Shore. Very important, very standard bit which everyone is aware of this. I'm sure everyone should be aware of this. Okay, it was planned by Sir John Shore, and the amount to be paid by the landlords was fixed. So only one is the incorrect option. So this is a relatively easy question because Token currency means first thing everybody should remember is Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Because if you look at Muhammad bin Tughlaq, I'm sure everyone would have read about the five reforms which he has brought, right? Okay, Muhammad bin Tughlaq's reforms are very famous. He brought taxation in the law. Okay, when already there was a what you say a famine going on, he increased the taxation. Okay, and also transfer of capital. He transferred the capital from what you say Delhi to Diogir. It was named as Daulatabad, and he transferred all the people, and many people had died while going and coming back because there was no water in the new place. He again went back to Delhi. So that is one big blunder. And introduction of token currency. Introduction of token currency. He chose to present bronze coins which were to have the same worth as silver. So he will give you bronze coins, but he will say it is same as silver, which is not possible, right? So this was also a failure. So these five failures of Muhammad bin Tughlaq are very, very famous. And if you are looking at Alauddin Khilji, Alauddin Khilji market reforms are also very important. So the military reforms, market reforms, revenue reforms of Alauddin Khilji are very important. He maintained a strong and huge army. He paid in cash. Okay, he abolished Jagir system and paid the salaries in cash. Most importantly, he introduced a system of branding of horses, Dag, and maintenance of descriptive register of soldiers, which is called Chehra. Okay, Dag and Chehra, to prevent false and corrupt practices. So these two are enough for you, right? See, Mohammed bin Tughlaq, everybody should know token currency. So A2, only one is there. So outright, this is the option. Second, but anyway, let us look at B1. Alauddin Khilji is branding of horses called as Dag, and description of the faces known as Chehra. Iltutmish is introducing silver tanakas. Iltutmish means slave dynasty, and all those you have to remember Qutub Minar, okay, all those things, Lakbaksh, all those things which we have discussed. Iltutmish. B3, Firoz Shah Tughlaq is development of irrigation. Firoz Shah Tughlaq means you should remember only four strict Shariat taxes, okay, and development of irrigation and introducing Jizya on Brahmins, all those things, Firoz Shah Tughlaq. So this is relatively easy question. Answer is 2. So Ashtapradhans of Shivaji, again a very standard question. Everyone who has prepared should be able to answer this. So what is the Shivaji's Ashtapradhan? Okay, Peshwa. Sari Naubat is army administration. Peshwa is finance and general administration. Vakkenavis or Amatya Majumdar is accountant general intelligence officer. Vakkenavis is intelligence officer. Surnavis, Sachiv, all those are correspondence, means postal communication, etc. Dabir or Sumanta, master of ceremonies and foreign affairs. Nyayadish, justice. Pandit, charities and religious affairs. So Sari Naubat is in charge of army administration. So among the Ashtrapadans of Shivaji, the Sari Naubat was associated with which of the following? So army administration, that means military commander, right? Not finance, not foreign, not revenue. Military commander. So 9-2 is the option. Okay. Next, this is again very fundamental. If you look at the revolt of 1857, very, very basic. See, Delhi, General Bakht Khan, Kanpur, Nana Sahib, Lucknow, Begum Hazrat Mahal, Bareilly, Khan Bahadur, Bihar, Arra, Kunwar Singh, Faizabad, Mauli Ahmadullah, and Jhansi, Rani Lakshmibai. I'm sure everyone is aware of this, right? So, and that would be Kunwar Singh, Bihar, A3, and that settles your answer, okay? Option 3. So, B4, Hazrat Mahal, Lucknow, Begum Hazrat Mahal, Nana Sahib, Kanpur, General Bakht Khan is Delhi. Okay, so let us continue in the next.